How to see Reels Watch History on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into Application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged into a specific account, it will land you on this page. Now head over to your profile and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Once you're in this page, you have to move into your activity. First of all, you should know that you cannot see all the watched history of Reels on Instagram. Instead, you can see the Reels that you have liked, commented, and many more. So if you want to see all of the likes history, then all you gotta do is simply move into likes option in the interactions. Once you're in this page, you have to click on all content types at the top right corner and then select Reel. Tap on apply. Now you will be able to see all of the Reels that you have liked on Instagram. It will also show you all of your history of likes. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.